Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll show you how to find your channel feature status in YouTube on your PC. Follow these simple steps to check your eligibility and access important features. Step 1. Open YouTube Studio. This is your hub for managing your YouTube channel and videos. Step 2. Go to Settings. Navigate to the Settings section to customize and access various options for your channel. Step 3. Select Channel. Click on the Channel tab to view and manage your channel settings. Step 4. Click on Feature Eligibility. This section will provide you with information about the eligibility status of various features available for your channel. By following these steps, you can easily find out the status of your channel features and ensure that you're taking full advantage of all the options available to you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Now, let's dive into YouTube Studio and find out the status of your channel features.